How to allow friends to join me in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, tap on the Roblox application on your device. Make sure that you have an updated version of the application as well, and also make sure that you have logged into your account, because without logging your account you will not be able to proceed further. So all you have to do is just tap on the more section at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on more, and as you tap on more, just scroll down and tap on the settings icon over here. So here you can see the option of privacy, so tap on privacy, and as you tap on privacy, all you need to do is just tap on this option which says visibility and private servers. So tap on it, and here you can see the option of visibility, so you can just tap on friends and then go back and then tap on private servers and then tap on friends again. Now you can allow friends to join in Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.